So I was browsing for some Black Friday deals at Walmart. This caught my eye, a tablet for $28. I thought this was a good deal, so I bought it for the purpose of this video. So here's the Onn Surf 7-inch tablet from Walmart. In total, I paid $29 for this. On the side, you get Onn Tablet with Android. On the other side, you basically get the same thing as the front, but in a smaller scale form. On the back, let's look at the specifications. It has Android 9.0 Pie, which is Go Edition, a 7-inch 1024 by 600 resolution LCD touchscreen, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. It has a 4-hour battery life. I'm not sure about the mAh rating yet, but I'll find out. 16 GB storage with micro SD slot for storage expansion, 1 GB RAM, and a 0.3 front-facing and rear-facing camera. Okay, so first thing we are greeted with is a $10 off coupon from Walmart grocery pickup. We have the tablet, which is in the box. We get the product guide, regular micro USB cable, and just a plain wall adapter. So let's take a look at the tablet itself. On the front, you have the screen with the 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera. On the bottom, you got the micro USB ports, and also you have the mic that's right there. On this side, there's nothing. On the other side, you get the volume rockers and the power button. On the top, you get the headphone jack and the micro SD expansion slot. On the back, you get the 0.3 rear-facing camera, and you get the speaker that's right there. It has some type of grainy texture, and I would describe the color as navy blue. And on the front, it has like some instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the tablet. I already have it charged up. That is what the boot screen looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. This is what the lock screen looks like. It's pretty basic, and I don't see any shortcuts. This is what screen quality looks like. I did get a picture of the beach from Google, and this is another cool feature. You can tilt the tablet and put it in landscape mode. This is what it looks like. This is what the home screen looks like. You get a Google search bar on the top of the screen, the time and the date, and this is what the app drawer looks like. You get a few apps such as Assistant, Calculator, Calendar, some Google Go apps like Gallery Go, Gmail Go, and Google Go. And you have some Walmart apps like Walmart eBooks, and Sam's Club. These come preloaded on the tablet. I did install like a few apps for the purpose of this video. But let's take a look at the settings. This is what it looks like. This is what the calculator looks like. This is what the clock app looks like. This is what the notification drawer looks like. You get quick toggles such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, and all that. It is running Android 9.0 Pie. I'm not sure if this tablet's going to get Android 10.0, but it might in the future since it is Android Go. Now, I tried to do an Antutu benchmark test, but it wouldn't let me. So instead I did a HTML5 test, which is kind of similar. And we got the 4,928 as a score. And it's kind of similar to the HTC One and the X9 180. So yeah, it's not that great. Now, I did take a few pictures to test out the camera quality, and the picture quality is not that great. The same thing goes for the front-facing camera. This is what video quality looks like on the Onn Tablet. Everything is grainy and washed out. So yeah, this isn't decent camera quality. This has been the unboxing and the review of the Onn Tablet. So far, I have to say it's pretty decent and pretty good. The only issue I had is kind of like battery life and the camera quality. Other than that, I would say it's pretty good for watching YouTube videos and doing some light web browsing. I would not recommend this tablet for heavy gaming like Need for Speed or Grand Theft Auto. For the price point, I have to say it's a pretty good deal that I got at Walmart for this tablet. I mainly got this tablet for the purpose of this video. I'm not going to use this like on a daily basis. Would I recommend this tablet? Yes, if you're just looking for some light web browsing and some light application usage. But yeah, it's been pretty good for the price point. I've seen worse tablets for around $30. When I got this tablet, it was like $29. I don't know how much this tablet would be. It depends on store by store. By the time this video goes up, the price might be higher than $29. But yeah, this has been the unboxing and the review, and I hope you like this video.